So this is Crazy Chicken! And today I'm going to be playing some Bed Wars, and I'm going to be joined with Miss Jenkins, Mr. Chicken, and I'm Veggie, so hello! Okay, sure. So Vid is on. We're gonna be joined, I'm Veggie, he's an old friend, he's VIP, I believe. So we are going to be playing with him too. So he's gonna build mid. So Mr. Chicken, you need to cover the bed quickly since he's going quickly. Okay. So I'm Veggie also has a channel. I'm subscribed to him if you wanna look. So we are going to be building. When I build, watch me. Okay, I'm Veggie is like I'm Veggie is like a really good Bed Wars player. He's like level 40 or something, which is really good. I'm only level 7, which is how much I've played it compared to him. So let's see, what is this? What can we do? Let's do this. What is this? What did that do? Oh, so I need to get my can. Okay, something about cans and stuff. I might try that out in a second. I'm almost ready, just gonna grab a couple more blocks. There we go. I'm going to get the can of spray and put that. I'm gonna put it right here. Maybe I can put it right here. Oh wow, that looks so cool. Okay, so we've got that right there. Wow. See, that's how good I'm Veggie is. He's already gotten blue bed. He's that good. Okay, so he's gotten that from there. You know what? Then let's go ahead and get. Actually, I'll need TNT. What team are we? We are green. Looks like Miss just died. Okay, so Miss, get TNT. I'll go in with you. So here's this carried thing. It's like some guy holding a chicken and like 3 other guys or something. We are green, right? Okay, so there's 2 yellows. Blue just died. That was the final kill. I might as well go in and kill this blue, because why not? I've got iron sword, he's got leather armor. So, all good. No, dude, get back. That was like, he just legit hit me when I was in mid-air. No. Yeet, got him. Okay, that's blue eliminated. So, it looks like blue didn't even have anything. Oh, I almost died right there. Okay, actually, I can get TNT here. Let me check their chest. They probably don't have anything, but you never know. Sometimes I once found like a stack of gold. Oh gosh. Okay. So let's get some TNT and some of this. Okay, I think we are actually ready to attack right now. Great. So let's do that like that. Okay, let's go. There we go. We need to be careful. If I fall in that hole, I'm gonna be so mad. Be just careful. Where is it? I think it's just right here at the beginning. Yep, okay. Great, we stopped that. Let's go for red. Just real quick do that. Great, okay, where's red? There we go. Hi, red! Ow! Go away! Just hit! He just looked up and started randomly swinging. Oh my gosh, no! I'm out of here. I am out of here. Go. No. No. Don't die. Parkour. He's not right behind me, is he? No! My stuff! Spam. I think I put it in. Did I put everything in? Oh, wait, red's bed. No, never mind. No, it's supposed. Okay, please say put everything in. Yes! Okay. Oh, we put everything in. Okay, all good. I'm Veggie just got another bed. He is legit awesome. Okay, we are going to be easily just winning like right away. Like, I think I know who's gonna win right away, right now, in this game. Period. There's no... You've got to be kidding me. Fell in the void. Okay, that was terrible. That was terrible. This is bad. You know what? Okay, we're just gonna go in. We had so much stuff. 2 fireballs and everything. You know what? We'll just go in with 1 TNT. Actually, we need 1 more gold. How do we die? Okay, Mr. Chicken, you can help us, because I don't think red and yellow are gonna stand a chance. So I'm going to go in. If you have a bow, Mr. Chicken, then maybe just stand at mid and help me. I am going to go in. Looks like yellow might. Is yellow going to mid? Yellow might be going to mid. Veggie says TNT is bad. Probably if they have a lot of stuff. Oh, can I juke this guy out? Can I juke this guy out? Oh, there we go. Got him. Oh, wow. Get out of here. How did I do that? That was legit. Did you see that? Okay, red bed exposed. Red bed exposed. Okay, a single TNT just got him. I don't know how I did that. I just straight on juked 2 of them out. One of them jumped straight over me, and I just crouched, and boom, he just jumped over me. And the other one swung at me, and I jumped to the side and just legit dodged him. That was totally amazing. Okay, let's grab this. Okay, there we go. We got teleports behind me. Well, yeah, that's what he says about what happened. There we go. We just need to stack this. You know what? I think we're good. Let's go. Okay, looks like Veggie is attacking too. I'll be right behind you, Veggie. I'll be right behind you. I don't have no idea what Moose is doing. I think he just died or something. I don't know. Maybe, I don't know. Maybe just is learning another language or something. Maybe he's learning the Moose language. I don't know. So we are going to get these people at the red team. Get out of here, red. Get out of here, red. There we go. Boom. Get out of here, red. Got him. Oh, he's right there. Okay. Hi, how you doing? Yeet. Yeah. Okay, we got red bed. At least we got 1 bed. I'm glad you got the other 2 beds. Now we just need to kill everyone. Okay, so now just go on a killing frenzy. Okay, let's go. What do we need? Let's just get a golden apple. Why not? Let's get a golden apple, some more blocks. There we go. Okay, let's do this. Let's go. Who cares about all that stuff? Just put this here, put that there, put that there. Go. Okay, we don't even need defense anymore. Because they are probably just going to stay in their base right now. Miss Jenkins. Red. With jump. Red. He's not even having. No! Mr. Chicken, not with the bow! He's just punching. Wow. Get out of here, boy! He was. Okay. I'm just going to say that. Okay. No, not slash backspace. There we go. Lol. The red was only punching, not using his sword. I don't know what he wanted to do. He must want us to die. Here's some stuff I don't need. 3 areas. Okay, let's go. Get out of here. Don't need this gold. There's my magical picture right there. Let's go. Look, yellow's about to go to mid. My dog will be super level now. Get her golden apple. Dog, be quiet. Okay, go. You know what? Let's finish this guy out. Why not? I have the height advantage, so I can just use a fire. Yeet! Get out of here! Get out of here, boy! Oh, he landed that. He just landed that. He just jumped into the void. Oh, I'm Veggie, got him. Who's left? 1 red left at his base. Don't need this emerald, let's just get him! Go! We got this! Okay, 1 red left at the base. There we go. Let's do that. Okay, go. He doesn't see me yet. Oh, sorry. There we go. Get him. Go. Oh, perfect timing, Mr. Chicken. That was perfect timing. I don't know what he's doing. Get out of here. Okay, 11. health left for the red. Okay, you know what? Let's get an iron sword. Perfect. At red bed. This is great. Okay, we got everything we need. Fireball, blocks. Let's just go. We don't even need to sort anything out. Let's just go. Go. There we go. Let's go. Ooh, if I found the void, that would have been so bad right there. That would just been like, I would have just totally just like ended the video right there. I'm Veggie says to wait. Where is he? He's somewhere. I can just straight on fireball the red until they come out. Okay, I got fireball. Where is the red? Okay, I'll just stay above them. I'm just gonna go on this little staircase, whatever is right here. Oh, it looks like there's two of us. Is that a red? Oh, there's two reds right there. Wait, who is this right there? That's a... What is he doing? 16 gold. There we go. Fireball. Doink. Here, dude. I have an iron sword and chain armor, and I will use it against you. Get mobbed! Okay, so we mobbed him. Well, okay, so new game. That was an amazing game. We won, of course, because we have Iron Veggie on our team. So new game. Okay, we are the best team ever. We won that in like 11 minutes. That was like one of the quickest games I've done. So hopefully, maybe with this one we can win even quicker. So us for again VIP, MVP, MVP plus, and Moose. Hopefully we can got. So we got this. Okay, so Mr. Chicken covered the bed again. Okay, yeah, we got this. So 3 rushers, 1 defender. This is gonna be real good. Okay, we got this. So Moose, after the first bed is destroyed, he'll get some diamonds. Yeah, then we can get sharp and protection. So hopefully this game we can just take out everyone quickly. Oh, okay, so looks like, oh yeah, the Ender Dragon one. Okay, I'm gonna watch Moose's back. Okay, looks like there's gold right here, plenty of it. Great, so looks like Moose isn't, attacking someone right now. So I'll get that. I don't need some. Okay, I need some armor right now. I'm just going to get blocks. And if he's built to red already, or no, we are red. If he's built to someone else, then hopefully I can just take the red with a fireball. Where's he built? Oh, okay, we're going mid. We're going mid with Veggie. Okay, they've got clay. I might be able to fireball that red. No, Veggie's got this. Veggie's got it. Oh, that was so lucky. I did not realize that. Okay. Okay. They're just both taken out. That hit him. Bruh. That hit him. Yeah. Oh, that fireball could have taken the bed out. But... okay, there's got nothing in here, anything in here, there's that. We can take that. Mr. Chicken is good covering the bed. Let's grab a couple more stuff. We can try to get a fireball again, but yeah, it looks like their bed wasn't covered, and all of a sudden it was covered by what Moose is saying. Okay, we need 10 more stuff, maybe. Let's see, we'll just have extra gold. So I'm just gonna go in with a fireball, probably some blocks. We'll need some blocks, just because if they can do that, then I will probably, yep. So I'm gonna probably get a fireball, and then that, there we go, put stuff in chest, don't do it. I'm like the clean up trash guy or something. Okay, let's go. We are coming for you. Okay, this time I need to remember to jump. Okay, oh no, okay, so Blue has endstone now. Yellow's got glass and endstone. Yellow has glass and endstone. Should I just try to fireball this guy? Should I just legit fireball him? Why not? Sorry, but get out of here. Now I'm gonna kill this guy, cause why not? Now I'll dig as much glass as I can. Haha, how did he just legit just fell off? And here I am, just gonna dig as much glass as I can, cause glass takes a lot of money, so, well, okay. Okay, so Moose needs help wherever he is. Let's see. Yellow is like, why did they do that? Who would put glass on the bridge? Unless they want it to be fireproof, why don't they just do like something else? I don't know, cause glass is like really, really expensive, so I don't know why they'd waste it on that. So really, if we can, all we really need is TNT or something to take their bed. Is there anything in the chest? No, there's nothing in the chest. How can we do this? I might go in with attack blue with a pickaxe. So hopefully someone build to gen. Which one? I'm going to attack blue again because I have a stone pickaxe. Hopefully that can take him. Looks like green is attacking yellow. I'm gonna help Moose out here. Like that. Oh, that is a hit your head jump. Okay. Take that. Did they just seriously spin a fireball on shooting us with it? They just shot base with their. Oh, I thought I was so dead right there. I thought I was a goner. Okay, we got this. Pickaxe for the win. Endstone. No! Okay, pickaxe. We need to cover ourselves in next time. If I had just covered myself in with wool, then the bed would be destroyed right now. How can we get this? Anything in the chest? Okay, we have a little bit. How can we do this? Might as well. Okay, so let's go in together. So I'll go in. I'll have a pickaxe. Okay, and you guys can help me out. Okay, so I'm gonna help Veggie. Okay, Moose, come. Me and you attack blue. I got pick, you distract. Okay, Moose needs stuff, so you know what? I might just be going alone. So probably I will not make it. I don't have blocks, so I won't be able to cover myself in. So maybe if they don't see me this time, nobody's there. They might not see me. I don't think they see me. They see me. They still see me. I can try to kill this guy though. Oh, he's at the diamond again. Yeet. Nice Veggie. Okay, Veggie just got yellow. Okay, good. Just dig this block. Dig that block. That's the bed! No, I saw blue bed. Oh! I saw the blue bed. Okay, it was right there in front of my face, but I did not take it. You know what? Maybe if I come in with a fireball this time. Plenty of ball. You know what? I can get TNT, so why not? Let's just go in from above, TNT them. Because blue is doing a terrible job of defending. Like, they're like there, and I've got a wooden pickaxe just in case. Because like blue is like, they see me coming, but then they just like run to their diamond gen or something. Like, I don't know why, but they are doing very bad. Oh, TNT was just placed at blue. I think that should be bye-bye blue bed. No, Moose died. Okay, blue's bed exposed. I'm probably gonna go back to get stuff, and that's my chance. Okay. Now Moose is like TNT is bad. TNT probably knocked him into the void or something. Anywho, I need to go. Probably stack up. Okay. No! No! I have TNT! No! GG. Oh, that blue! Come on, blue. Why did you do that? Why didn't... Well, whatever. If he wanted to go after me, not the dude that was out of the bed, then that's his problem. I was hoping that he'd go after Veggie, who is standing at Blue's bed. You know what? I don't care about any of this. I'm just going to attack Blue with my pickaxe. I'm gonna see if I can get a pickaxe kill. Okay, we don't need that. Pickaxe kill. Okay, we got this. We're gonna get a pickaxe kill. Okay, pickaxe kill challenge. Oh, okay. Well, it looks like Veggie's about to kill them all. Yeah. Okay, maybe. I won't. Wow. Veggie just like easy. I've got one emerald, so I can go invis. I'm gonna gear up and go invis at yellow. Okay, yellow. They have TNT. That's the only problem. I mean, not TNT, glass. No! Oh, I glitched right there. That would have been terrible. It looks like I'm. I was hoping that this gen would be full. Looks like I'm Veggie though. Okay. Then what do I need? I need a pickaxe and TNT. Really, maybe just a pickaxe. I can dig the outer layer of glass. Then I can like Oh, nice. Oh, thanks, dude. Okay, I'm Veggie is just awesome. Okay, I'm gonna do that, get that. Okay, now, invis. And you know what? Why not have another piece of TNT? Why not? Like that, then some. Wait, no, I got a fireball instead. Whoops. Wait, we need blocks. Okay, there we go. That should be plenty of blocks. Okay, 32, whatever. Okay, just put this in that chest. Who cares? Okay, let's sort everything out. This, like that. There. Okay. So we need to attack. Yeah. Why not capsule? I'm going invis to yellow. Okay, I just do not want to die right here. Actually, yellow hasn't built to middle. No, actually, I think they have. No. I am so lucky. Okay, note to self, blue, do not go to red, wait, no, blue's base again, because they have just like a bunch of, okay, I'm going. Okay, here we go. There we go. We've got 3 fireballs, so we can do that. Nope, I don't want to waste my invis. Okay, I just fireballed them. Are they after me? They're repairing. Actually, they don't know I'm coming. If I hide behind this tree and jump in, they have no idea that I'm coming. Okay, this is perfect. So 1 TNT, then dig glass, then another TNT. They don't see me, do they? They don't see me. Yes! Place the TNT. Dig glass. Dig as much glass as you can. No! Yellow bed exposed. Oh, I was right there. But I died. Cry. Okay, you know what? What are we gonna do? Let's get that. Anything in the chest? We need gold. So much gold. Okay. That didn't really help a lot. We need a little bit more gold. Yes! Okay, Veggie just got fed. Okay, then let's just attack. Veggie's probably gonna kill all of them anyways. Oh no, I think Veggie just died. Okay, then this is what we need. Fireball. Blocks. Okay, let's just go. Be good. Lol. Okay, Moose was a part of that. So it was Veggie and Moose who rushed in. Probably like Moose placed TNT or something. Okay, let's go. I'm just gonna real quick do that. Okay, we got a fireball, so we can maybe lure some of them on the bridge. That would be awesome if all 3 of them just got lured onto the bridge. Okay, looks like Mr. Chicken is here shooting. That's nice, Mr. Chicken. Okay. Actually, the bridge is part clay, so... Look! Veggie's just right there! Veggie, you are so savage. You know what? Let's just go then. Just go. Get out of here. Lol, fire, lol. And he died. That was awesome. And the Ender Dragon just... Oh, wow. The Ender Dragon just, like, totally destroyed that. So, sadly, that's going to be the end of this video. So let's, get everyone in the same lobby. Okay, so, end of vid. End of vid. Okay, so, this is Mr. Chicken. I'm Veggie, Crazy Chicken, and Miss Jenkins. Yeah, that's who I was forgetting. So, bye! Peace out.